If you're thinking about buying the Dreame Aqua10 Ultra Roller, hold up because you need to hear this first. This robot mop promises ever-fresh water, ever-clean floors with its slick water spraying system and self-cleaning roller. But here's what surprised me. Underneath the tech and fancy features, it's far from perfect. In fact, some serious problems might ruin your cleaning routine. You'll find out what those are, why they matter, and who should actually consider this pricey $999.99 gadget. But don't worry, I'm not just here to bash it, I'll also reveal the real reasons it could still be worth your money. So stick around, because what I'm about to share isn't what you'll hear in your typical hype reviews. Ready? Let's dive in. First things first, this mop isn't for everyone. If you live in a tiny apartment with just one type of flooring and no pets, you might be overpaying for features you don't really need. However, if you have a large home with mixed surfaces, pets shedding everywhere, or serious floor dirt dilemmas, keep watching because the Dreame Aqua10 Ultra Roller claims to tackle these with innovation. But here's the twist. The reality isn't as flawless as the marketing videos suggest. The Everfresh water feature continuously sprays clean water on the roller while collecting dirty water, which is supposed to keep your floors pristine. Sounds genius, right? But in testing, some users report that this system doesn't always work as expected. Residual grime can build up despite the constant rinsing, leading to streaks instead of spotless floors. So the promise of ever-clean floors might actually leave you scrubbing spots manually. It's like getting a robotic dog that sheds more than your actual dog. Ironic but frustrating. Let me tell you a quick story. A friend of mine, Sarah, bought this robot mop because she's all about high-tech gadgets. She expected to come home to sparkling floors every single day. Instead, she found the roller sometimes accumulating hairballs despite the HyperStream detangling dual brush tech, which supposedly detangles 100% of hair without clogging. The roller's fluff roll tech tries to keep things clean, but when there's a mountain of pet hair, it struggles. Imagine trying to eat spaghetti with a fork but someone keeps throwing noodles on your plate. Annoying, right? Plus, the 30,000 PA suction is powerful and quiet, but the mop's roller can still get tangled after a few noisy hours. So, that major selling point. Not quite bulletproof. Another big feature is the Dreame's FlexRise air suspension system, which can supposedly handle obstacles up to 3.15 inches like rugs or thresholds. If you have a home like mine with weird floor height differences, that's a godsend. But here's the catch. During my tests, the robot sometimes seemed hesitant to climb onto thicker rugs, or worse, got stuck transitioning between surfaces. This might be because the chassis only lifts to 0.55 inches when entering carpets, and if your carpet is plush, it could dampen and smell. So while the Auto Seal Roller Guard is meant to prevent damp carpets and odors, it's not foolproof. Clean floors don't mean much if your machine breaks down or leaves a soggy mess behind. Oh, and here's a fun fact, or should I say a joke. Why don't robots ever take a day off? Because they're too wired to relax. But even the hardworking Dreame Aqua10 Ultra Roller needs some TLC. Maintenance is supposedly hands-free with the all-in-one power dock that can auto-empty for up to 100 days, deep clean the roller at 212 degrees F, hot air dry it, and refill water and cleaning solution. This sounds like a dream for anyone who hates maintenance. However, users have complained about the power dock occasionally malfunctioning. Sometimes it doesn't empty properly or refill water accurately, turning your hands-free dream into a hands-full nightmare. If your dock starts acting up, troubleshooting can be a headache that drains more time than sweeping with a broom. Speaking of intelligence, the Dreame features Omni Sight System 2.0 with an auto-retracting LDS sensor and binocular navigation, designed to identify and avoid more than 240 objects. It even supports voice controls with OK Dreame commands for pet-friendly cleaning mode, suction boosts, lifting rollers, and more. Pretty futuristic, right? But here's the ironic part. Despite these smart features, Some users report that the navigation still trips over small obstacles or misses spots entirely. It's like having a GPS that can't find your street. It's smart, but not smart enough. And if your home is cluttered with toys or cables, you might find this vacuum tripping itself up more often than saving your time. Now, you might wonder, why pay nearly $1,000 for a robot mop if it has all these issues? Well, it's because when it works well. The suction power is undeniably strong, silently picking up dust and debris better than many competitors. The 30,000 Pa Vormax suction is no joke. Plus, for homes with pets, that Hyperstream detangling dual brush really shines by reducing hair tangles, significantly compared to other robots that clog every time Fido shakes himself. And when you factor in the voice control and the automatic self-maintenance dock, this is one of the most automated options out there. So if you're ready to baby this machine with a bit of extra care, and your wallet can handle it, the Dreame Aqua10 Ultra Roller could become your new cleaning ally. Let's do a quick breakdown of the quirks and perks before I hit you with the final verdict. Pros: powerful 30,000 Pa suction for deep cleaning, effective hair detangling system, FlexRise suspension handles most floor transitions, Everfresh water and self-cleaning roller tech, hands-free power dock with drying and refilling functions, smart navigation with object avoidance, voice control for ease of use. Cons: Everfresh water system can leave streaks or grime, roller occasionally tangles in heavy hair piles, struggles on high-pile carpets despite auto-seal guard, power dock has reliability concerns, navigation sometimes trips on small obstacles, only supports 2.4G Wi-Fi. Not great if your router is 5G. Are you asking yourself, should I bite the bullet or steer clear? It ultimately depends on your lifestyle and expectations. If you want ultimate convenience and mostly hard floors, this is a premium pick. But if you need a low-maintenance mop that runs flawlessly every day without you lifting a finger, you might want to explore other options or factor in a bit of patience for updates and troubleshooting. In fact, my last joke is, why do mop robots never get invited to parties? Because they always sweep the floor. But honestly, the Dreame Aqua10 Ultra Roller tries really hard to clean your party mess before you even realize there's a mess. To wrap it all up on a positive note, despite its flaws, the Dreame Aqua10 Ultra Roller is a cutting-edge machine packed with technology that brings a new level of automation and effectiveness into home cleaning. Its ability to balance powerful suction with gentle floor care and its innovative self-cleaning system set it apart from many rivals. If you're a tech enthusiast with the budget and don't mind spending a little time mastering your robot butler, this device could genuinely improve your day-to-day chores. Ready to see if this robot mop is the right fit for your home? Check out the link in the description below to grab the best price on Amazon. And remember, sometimes the smartest way to clean is a little investment in the right tool. Just don't forget to keep an eye on your robot's quirks. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.